Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the full process of how to add a cameo in Sora 2. Before we start, remember one important thing. Sora 2 is only available in the United States and Canada. If you live outside these regions, you will not be able to access it. First, download the Sora app from your App Store. Give it a moment to install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When the app loads, you will see several options on the main screen. Look for the section that says Cameo. This is the area where you can create and manage your cameo. To begin creating your cameo, tap on the button that says Add your cameo. The app will now open your camera. Hold your phone steady and make sure your whole face fits clearly in the frame. Follow any on-screen prompts. After the app captures your face, it will also ask for a short voice sample. Speak naturally and clearly so the app can record an accurate version of your voice. Once both your face and voice are recorded, the app will process the information. After a short moment, your cameo will be generated. When it is ready, you can start using it to create videos inside the Sora 2 app. If you want to let other people use your cameo, you can do that as well. Go to the settings area of the app and look for the Cameo Access section. Here you can manage who can use your cameo and what permissions they have. Thanks for watching.